You see, ice cream gains heat and melted. Properties are correct. Answer 3. Okay, so it's talking about in the beginning, after 2 hours, first it has volume which cannot be compressed. Ice cream is a solid. Then after that, no definite shape. Is correct. Occupy space, both also occupy space. Next. So here it says 30 cm cube. Annotate and analyze. This is how you're supposed to do, okay? So this one very simple, possible explanation. Some of the flour overflow cannot be overflowing, right? It's totally out, right? 1. Marbles cannot be compressed because marbles are solid. Okay? Marbles have increased in volume. This makes no sense. Okay, so answer is 4. It's very easy. Okay, this one is exam question. What is the reason for having the spaces in between the concrete blocks? To allow, they're asking you why must they have the spaces. So to allow more space for the blocks to expand as the blocks will gain heat from the sun. Okay, technically this is B, back with evidence. This is C, confirm concept. Okay, next. What will happen to the blocks if there are no space between them? No need to explain. So question, if let's say this question come out and you explain, will you still get the marks? If you explain correctly, you will get still 1 mark. If you explain wrong, bye-bye, your 1 mark. Okay? Take note, They never ask you for the space, right? The blocks will crack. Okay, bye-bye.